Yeah, so today I'm gonna be showing you about my cousin's birth. So
Okay, sure, whatever you say.
If you really, really want the best, switch to Verizon.
they're gonna be flying around. So where?
Cute. I mean, I think I am. But look at Mom and Dad cleaning on a Saturday instead of playing with me.
Don't spend your Saturdays cleaning. Here.com, we've got the help you need. So for lots of profiles, use and
Yeah, one of the birds got out.
40th birthday. Every kid gets 40 free tickets. Plus, come in at 19. Help break the Guinness World Records title for the most people blowing party blowers simultaneously. Turkey Teasers. Celebrating 40 years of fun.
So I'm gonna help you. Come on. Alright, you can go help yourself. Go. Go down. 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 In.
Boom.
My bird.
Our oldest daughter is Cameron. She's a great kid.
Very smart. And she always wanted to learn, and every day she wanted to read, and then all of a sudden it was nothing. She always
She's
just
a
no
goodie.
interest in learning anymore.
We went
She's
to
a good bird, trust
orientation
me.
and
She knows her
abcmoms.com.
ways and
It
everything.
was just immediate.
You know your way?
It sparked her interest in learning.
She knows her way anyway. Well, anyone can find
Keeps Cameron
a
engaged.
perfect bird at Petco.
A
Different.
couple weeks ago. The teacher said she's been such a
Hey, come
fantastic student.
For your daughter to come home with a report card, with a smile on her face, it's just, I feel so proud of myself. You know what?
We're proud of you too, kid. abcmoms.com came to us recommended.
But it far surpassed any expectations that I had for it.
It's been phenomenal.
Come here. Hey, down. So as you guys can see, she's on her favorite toy.
You're watching Henry Danger on Nick.
That's her favorite toy. She loves to swim. So I'm gonna hope you guys really, I'm saying, hope you guys like this video about my cousin's birds. Please subscribe and like this video. Please, oh please subscribe and like this video. I'm begging you. Bye you guys, and this is his channel, hold up you guys, and hope you guys enjoy this video of my cousin and his birds. So where's my is my cousin.
Now look what's in your bag.
Nice, let's see. This is a necklace?
My cousin and his bird. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.